One, two, three. Sir, I rise to make my party's views on the present budget. We have looked carefully at the last year's budget and this year's budget with full responsibility and without just criticism for the sake of criticizing. I will say that it lacks direction and vision and it is full of platitudes. The present government has a character, a habit to make every loud announcements and high sounding words, and then suddenly there is silence about what was stated last year. I will come to the announcements which you made in your last budget, where we are and where they are languishing. Many of those projects are non starters which were considered to be the revolutionary vision of our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. The Finance Minister has claimed in the budget that the economy is turning around and also that they inherited the economy in a weak state, in a comatose state. Both the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister say that. Can the Finance Minister deny that the turnaround started in the late 2013? Of course, you will not admit it, but the fact is that the numbers cannot be washed away. The quarter one number of GDP growth was 5%. Now, let me remind the Finance Minister and this August House that of these 90 days of quarter one, UPA has in office for 56 days. They have happily appropriated all that also without saying that yes, the turnaround had started. Now, with regard to the economy, you inherited a very strong economy, an economy which was recovering and which was on a rebound. The foreign exchange reserves were over 300 billion US dollars, exports were 317 billion US dollars, the current account deficit was down to 3%. Therefore, what you have said is not gracious, it is rather unfair to the previous government. Politics apart, the numbers tell their own story, which neither you nor I can rewrite or deny. You have claimed that the economy is surging, but your members and the budget contradict it. Sir, what are the ground realities today? Investments are falling. Gross capital formation is near zero. Credit offtake by the industry is very weak. Exports are falling for the third consecutive month. The manufacturing sector is very low. If exports and investments are low, it is very clear that the industrial manufacturing is low. What do the figures indicate? Thank you.